Hello everyone, it's Bernie and Jeff at High Fashion Sewing Machines and Quilt Shop in Grand Junction, Colorado. I'm not an employee of Bernie of America. I have a retail shop here in Western Colorado. Been busy again. We invented a new foot holder that fits one of the coated feet for the Berninas and one of the non-coated feet. So you can keep your 2 or 3 most used feet right on the front of your machine or someplace really handy. So I just put this up on my Shopify account, so you'll be able to purchase this right away. I'm actually showing you a picture because it's not even in the store till later today. So you can go ahead and get that ordered and we'll get that shipped out right away. These are great products. I have 20 or 30 different stick-on products that hold different things for your Bernina machines and other brands of machines. So check out that Shopify account. That's bernina-jeff.myshopify.com. Now, I've been an advocate for many years on this guide for the 7 series, and it guides the thread to keep it into this tension unit. So if we look real close here, this thread will pop out of the tension unit and it'll come across and come straight down into the machine. When this happens, you will get a big wad of stuff underneath your sewing project. It'll stop everything. You might even get the gears. So the 7 guide cures all that. In fact, I've never seen it come out of the tension unit with this 7 guide on there. And I've sold many hundreds of these with no complaints whatsoever. Everybody loves them. So I call it a must-have for your 7 series. And it's so simple. There's a screw right here. A lot of your machines come with this little Allen wrench, which is a Torx 20 or T20. If you don't have the Allen wrench, I sell them on my Shopify account, so you can get the Allen wrench and the thread guide if you don't have one. If you have one already, that's great. If you have a husband that has Torx wrenches, ask him for a T20. We take this screw out right here. Try not to drop it and lose it. And this guy has 2 sides. There's kind of, on this metal part, there's kind of a cone shaped. That points toward the screw, toward the thread. So it goes in pretty flush. So it goes in, if you put it in backwards, the screw won't reach. So you flip it around, goes in nice and flush, and then you get your screw in there and tighten it all up. So let's see if I can do this with the wrench. Goes in there. Again, if your screw's too short, you don't have it in there the right way. And you got to get that screw through the hole. That's the best way to do it. And tighten that in there to where it's snug. Now to use this, it's just an extra step when you're threading it every time. In fact, don't try to bypass that once it's on there because it'll get stuck. So because that has a little cone shaped, it'll just fall into that hole nice and smooth. Now you can get it in through there, down and around. And even if your thread makes a big swag or a loop back here, it won't come out of your thread guide. So guy in St. George, Utah developed this, and it has been a lifesaver for people that do a lot of sewing with their 7 series. So this will fit the 700, which is embroidery only. It'll fit the 710, the 720, the 750, the 770, the 780, the 790. The 790 Pro has a little different system up here, so you may not run across needing it. So appreciate you watching, and please subscribe and check out my Shopify account, which is, again, bernina-jeff.myshopify.com. You can order these direct. A lot of people don't like to use their credit cards online. You can call with a payment option at 970-256-1293. You can also email me at jpvlefty@aol.com. Thanks very much.